Good, good day, guys. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I hope everyone is doing great. It's Sunday, so yeah, we can just go straight to our analysis and see what's really happening. I don't really want to make this thing very long. If you are new to this channel, just know this: we have this special until month end of this January. I think maybe on Wednesday around there. So you can get this special for $50 actually. So yeah, let's run straight to our analysis. We are on Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? We have a very nice uptrend. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside, which means we expecting to do what? To actually buy. And the next week, I think we're going to have like NFP, interest rates for mostly the major currency pairs that we're dealing with like almost every day. So if we go closer there, you can easily see that the market was creating these structures where it was actually consolidating, but at the end of the day, the market was actually pushing to the upside. Do you see that? We have this like there is this consolidations all over the place, but if you understand them, those are the good opportunities, because you will know that on the support area is actually where you're supposed to do what? To take those buys. If we go closer there, let me show you this. Let me zoom like this. You will see that actually around these areas, it's very like you can see that around these areas, it's a zone where the market was respecting. Actually, it's a resistance. But when we go further again, you see that the market used to bounce there. So it means around this area, we can buy around this area, then the market pushes up. If we reach this area, we might take out our profit because there is a chance for the market to push lower again. Yes, we still know that the market can still break that as we are actually on a bullish momentum. But I think taking small profits, buying around this area, buying, then you get out around this area. You buy, you get around that area. You're making something. Why? Actually, we know that we are on a bullish momentum and we just continue buying, you get out, buying, and we get out. Something like that. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on USDJPY. What's really happening? I see that we have a very nice downtrend, which means the market is still actually on a very nice sell. The market is aggressively doing what? Pushing to the lower side, right? So I've been like seriously talking about this structure for quite some time. So obviously you know what I'm going to say. Obviously for some, actually if you don't, just go back on my channel, you will find some very nice analysis about this pair here. I've been doing that for quite some time. Where we are now, we are actually on the resistance, so which means there is enough chance to for the market to do what? To push the lower side. Why? Because this area is where the market actually does what? It's where the market is actually respecting, and the market is still on a downtrend, so there's a chance for the market to do what? To sell. That's why you see we have a sell pending order there. So maybe by tomorrow or Tuesday, we might see the market doing what? Trying to push the to the lower side. Yes, there is a chance for the market to push up or break this resistant area. Why? Because the market has been going down for quite some time, so the market can change that. But if that happens, we're going to see that. So it's not going to be like a surprise, right? So on gold, what's really happening on gold? I think we have a very straightforward structure. The structure is just telling us that, you know what, guys, I'm on a very nice bullish momentum. The market is actually doing what? The market is pushing up. We see that the market is just pushing like that. So our job here is to do what? Is to find areas where we can do what? Where we can buy. Even on gold here, I've been also doing the same analysis for quite some time. So go back, check previous analysis. You will see what maybe what's really happening. So now when we zoom closer, you can easily see that yes, this area is something. It's actually where the market has the support. The market is just playing around this area. When we push back there, you can easily see that, oh, this was actually a previous resistance. So now it's currently a support. So once the market touches that, mostly it bounces back. Once the market touches there, mostly it bounces back. That's what we're supposed to do. That's why we have a buy pending order here. We're still expecting the market to push the upside. Even here, the market was doing the same thing. Sometimes the market will move like this, but remember, the market won't just give us those perfect moves, but we know that at the end of the day, as we already identified, that actually we are on a bullish momentum. That helps us to take these buys because the market will be pushing in our favor 90% of the time, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. Yeah, I think we smashed this one very nice. So the best thing that I can do is to try to push this time frame to a bit like something like this. We are on a 4 hours time frame. So what do we see? We can easily see that the market was actually on a very nice downtrend. Do you see that the market is actually pushing lower and lower? The market is actually pushing lower. So what's really happening here is when we go closer there, we can easily see that we had an area. We have this area where the market actually created something. Look around this area. The market is creating something around that. And I've been talking about that for quite some time. But what I love is, yes, we never forgot that we are actually on what? On a downtrend. We had a sell stop here. This is a 4 hours time frame. Look what happened. The market did touch that. And I think the market will keep pushing lower and lower. We smashed that. In the group, by the way. In the group, the same group that I'm saying, you can just go try to just WhatsApp me and you will get whatever that you want. Just WhatsApp me and say, I want to be part of that $50. So let's go back. You can see that our entry was just straightforward. Why? Because the zone was clear. You can see the market was respecting this area. The market was respecting that zone. And even here, the market touched, pushed lower. Even here, it was just a bit obvious. It's not like we knew, but most of the time, the market will say it will follow the same pattern or similar patterns. Simple as that. So, yes, we're still bearish on US oil, and we are actually on a very nice profit. So, let's push to the next one. Yeah, I think I've been like bit fast, which is great. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening? The market actually on US oil, guys. We are still actually on that downtrend. We are still actually on that downtrend. Let me remove this. As I've been, you know what I like about the trends is they don't change today, tomorrow. No, we can follow this trend for 6 months or more than that. So it means when we do the analysis, we just want to see where the market is going. You can easily track the moves because the trend stays longer. We don't just say, oh, this structure happened. No, we follow the bigger structure. You see, so what's really happening? We can easily see that the market actually here is still actually pushing lower. We have a resistance which has been respected for quite some time there. You can see here the market also created something quite similar to what we saw actually, what we will see actually on NASDAQ. So if we zoom closer there, you will see, let me just maybe use daily so that you can see much better. Let's see. Yeah, you see. So where we are now, you can see that around this area actually, you can see that there is a zone there. So the market touched this area, pushed lower. So even now, I'm expecting maybe the market to go very closer to that area than to push lower. Or maybe the market can do what? The market can break that area and start to push the upside. Remember, this week we have actually some very nice high impact news that can actually make the market to go crazy. So if that is going to be in our favor, yes, we're going to make something. Or we will just wait for a retest or maybe the market to break out, but we will see. Remember, we also trade in the news. If you want to be part of the news, let me see. If you want to be part of the news, it's there. It's $30. Just let me know if you want to trade the news. Spikes, actually. So if you want that, just let me know. So let's go straight to actually NASDAQ. As I already explained that on US30, we are still on a downtrend. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To give us a very nice sell. Even if I try to zoom closer there, maybe let's say on a 4 hours time frame, I don't think maybe we can say there is a buy or sell there. Nope. I don't think there's such. So you can see that where we are now, we had a structure there which the market actually broke. So I'm expecting the market maybe to reach that area before pushing lower, or maybe we might see some sort of a breakout. But currently, that is not happening. Currently, that is not actually happening. So now we are on NASDAQ. We are on NASDAQ. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on NASDAQ is the market is still, not still. The market was actually on a very nice downtrend. Very nice downtrend, and it was respected for quite some time. But guess what? The market just broke out there, and we have to zoom so that you can see very nice there. The market broke out. Very nice, by the way. The market broke out very nice. You can see that we had an area. Let me just maybe use daily so that this candlesticks can be like a bit thicker. Yep, you can see, yeah, this it's much better. You can easily see that actually the market was actually creating something around this area. The market, after touching this area, the market was actually bouncing back. The market was bouncing back. Do you see that? So now, instead of the market bouncing back around this area, we see a very nice full candlestick. It's a day, by the way, closing above this this resistance. And we also had another resistance, diagonal resistance, which we had for quite some time. That was also broken, and we can clearly see that if a daily time frame obviously closed above, it means 4-hour time frame also closed, 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour, 1 hour, they both closed above the support area. You see, so what we want now is to do what? Is to actually buy that. You can see we have actually a buy pending order there, which actually was triggered, and now it seems like the market is trying to push lower, but I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing actually higher and higher. I hope maybe things will be in our favor, because I'm expecting to hold this trade a bit longer until we reach maybe our TP, or maybe halfway there, you see. But another thing is the market, there's a chance for the market maybe to retest before we see another push. That is also something that might happen, but currently it's way much better for us just to wait for the market to give us something, especially when tomorrow it's Monday. Guys, this January, that last December, the market was not moving that much. Don't expect to make enough profit from this type of moves, because sometimes the market moves very slow, or sometimes we just lose. Don't just expect money every day, but just expect to be consistent. Expect to be like, apply your risk management every day. That is something that can help us to reach wherever we want to reach. But at the same time, it's not that easy. Consistency, it's everything. So let's try to push ourselves. I know it's not, sometimes it's not easy. Actually, most of the time it's not easy. So yeah, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you tomorrow. Bye.